Hi friends, welcome. So today we are going to see a C-sharp program to display the sum of two numbers. So to write down the sum of two numbers, we need two numbers and one more variable to store the results of two numbers. So for this, I'm going to use three variables. So using the data types int, I'm going to declare number one, and I'm going to declare another number two. I'm going to declare another number for storing the results. So I took three numbers for storing two numbers for number one and number two for numbers, and sum is for results. So now I'm going to assign number one as 10 and number two uh, as 20. So now sum is equal to, this is how we write a C sharp code to display the sum of two numbers. So to print the results, we are going to use a console object as we discussed in the last video. Right line is one of the methods to display the results on the console. So whatever the variable we are going to show here, the sum. So this is what we write to display the sum of two numbers. So here I declare a variable num1 and another variable num2, another variable to store the results. I assigned a value. This is how we assign. Num1 is equal to 10 and num2 is equal to 20. So 10 and 20, and I am adding num1 with num2 and storing the results into another variable called sum. So console.writeLine is a method I'm going to use to display the results, that is sum. So if you run this code, friends, if you see on the output, so 30 is what is displayed from this program. So this is how we write, friends. So if you want to display the more meaningful message on the console, like if you want to display the sum of 10 and 20 um, is 30 kind of message. So what we are going to use is, we are going to use a string.format method to format the string. I'm going to show you how we use the string.format in this session, and in future videos we will see in detail what is string.format. So for now, what I'm going to do is, I declare a variable string and say the variable name as results. We have a string dot format method. So it takes a string, a formatted string with the argument. So I'm going to display the sum of using the lower bracket variable 0 number 0 and lower bracket 20 2 1 should be 1, and is then semicolon, then space, then the variable sum. So this is how we are going to use the format method, friends. So if you see the sum, this is how we wanted to display the sum of 10 and 20 is 30. So using the string.format method, we are going to store the results in the formatted string, the sum of 0 and 1. So it needs two variables, and we need another variable to store the results. So we have 0 1 2 3. So we need to provide three arguments to this formatted string. That is, the first argument is num1, and second argument is num2, and third argument is the results, that is sum. So this sum displays in this place, like where is the argument, and num2 displays where the argument is 1, and sum is displayed where the argument is number 2. So if you run the same program, Let me display the results in rather sum. So it will be results. Let me run it and see the output. If you see the output, the output shows like the sum of 10 and 20 is 30. So this is how we write the sum of two numbers, friend. So I took to one variable. This is how we write declare the variable integer variable into space num1 is a variable and semicolon. So every C# statement ends with a semicolon. So that's how we write like in num1 num2, and then I took a sum. Then I took num1 num2, initialize those variables with 10 and 20, and I calculated the num. So if you see the results, it says like the sum of two numbers. That's it, friends, from this video. Um, Please subscribe and um, um, please subscribe for more latest videos. Thank you so much for watching.